हेलो दोस्तों, नमस्कार। तो हमारे इस सुपर मैथमेटिक्स वीडियो में आपका स्वागत है और आनंद उठाइए हमारे इस सुपर मैथमेटिक्स वीडियो। दोस्तों, आज के इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 6 के मैथमेटिक्स में सिमेट्री चैप्टर पर चर्चा करेंगे। तो चलिए हमारे इस वीडियो का आनंद उठाइए। जिनमें अकेले चलने के हौसले होते हैं उनके पीछे एक दिन काफिले होते हैं। इस चीज को हमेशा अपने मन में रखें और हमेशा आगे बढ़ने की कोशिश करें। सिमेट्री, ए विजुअल प्रेजेंटेशन फॉर क्लास 6। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, अ लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. A shape has line symmetry when one half of it is the mirror image of the other half. तो सिमेट्री का मतलब समझ गए होंगे कि एक ऐसी लाइन जो ज्योमेट्रिकल शेप को 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दे उसको हम सिमेट्री कहेंगे। Means a line which divide a geometrical shape in exactly 2 equal parts, then that is called a line of symmetry. Just like you can see here is a picture, and this line you can see here, this line is divided the mouth of line in 2 equal parts exactly same to same, then this line is known as line of symmetry. Symmetry exists all around us and many people see it as being a thing of beauty. So for next, is a butterfly symmetrical? क्या एक बटरफ्लाई सिमेट्रिकल है? दिस इज ए बटरफ्लाई, यू कैन सी हियर, अगेन यू कैन सी हियर, you can see here this part, there are 2 parts in this butterfly and they are exactly superimposed to each other. Her wings is exactly superimposed to each other, means both parts are exactly same, then this is a symmetrical. 100% this is a symmetrical. A figure has a line symmetry if there is a line about which the figure may be folded so that the 2 parts of the figure will coincide. मीन्स दोनों पार्ट्स अगर एक दूसरे को कवर कर लेते हैं तो वो लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री होगी। अंडर द सी देयर आर ऑल्सो मेनी सिमेट्रिकल ऑब्जेक्ट सच एज दीज क्रेप्स एंड दिस स्टार फिश, यू कैन सी हियर, दीज आर ऑल्सो सिमेट्रिकल इंसेक्ट. Animals that have line of symmetry, you can see here, all are having a line of symmetry from here, and this is also from just middle, and this is just, you can draw here, so this is a line of symmetry for this insect, and for this you can draw a vertical line of symmetry, and for this insect you can draw just a middle vertical line, that is a line of symmetry. Here are a few more great examples of mirror image in the animal kingdom. So now moving for next, these masks have symmetry. Yes, of course, if you draw the line of symmetry just in the middle, then you can get the symmetrical, both parts are symmetrical. These masks have a line of symmetry from the forehead to the chin, the human face also has a line of symmetry in same place. Reflection in water. If a object is reflected in water, it is considered to have line of symmetry along the water line. You can see here, this is a image just in the inside of the water. That is the reflection of this image just inside the water. Then this line is known as line of symmetry. Now the Taj Mahal, for example, you can see here in this diagram, this is a Taj Mahal. If you draw here a line, vertical line, then you can get a line of symmetry. Symmetry exists in architectures all around the world. The best known example of this is the Taj Mahal. Now another example, this photograph shows two lines of symmetry, one vertical, the other along the water line. So you can see here, yes, if you draw here vertical line, then you will get a line of symmetry vertical, and this is a water line of symmetry. So there are two lines of symmetry in this Taj Mahal. Notice how the prayer towers called minarets are reflected in the water and side to side. So dear, moving for next, 2D shapes and symmetry. After investigating the following shapes by cutting and folding, we found an equilateral triangle has 3 internal angles and 3 lines of symmetry. You can see here, yes, of course, this is a two-dimensional figure, that is equilateral triangle. So this is the first line of symmetry, and this is the second line of symmetry, and this one is the third line of symmetry. It means an equilateral triangle have 3 lines of symmetry. This is a square, and you can see here in this square there are 4 lines of symmetry, number 1 and number 2 and 2 along its diagonals. So there are 4 lines of symmetry of this square. A square has 4 internal angles and 4 lines of symmetry. Now this is a pentagon, that is a regular pentagon, and this regular pentagon is also have 5 lines of symmetry. Only this is a regular pentagon. If it is a regular pentagon, then we can get 5 lines of symmetry, as this is the first line of symmetry, this is the second line of symmetry, this is the third line of symmetry, and this is the fourth line of symmetry, and this one is the fifth line of symmetry. So there are 5 lines of symmetry in regular pentagon. And you can see here, this is a regular hexagon. So in this hexagon you will get 6 lines of symmetry. So a regular hexagon has 6 internal angles and 6 lines of symmetry. Now rotational symmetry. What about the rotational symmetry? Rotational symmetry. If when you rotate a shape, it looks exactly the same as it did in its original position, then we say that the shape has got rotational symmetry. मतलब अगर हम किसी भी ज्योमेट्रिकल शेप को मूव करेंगे और मूव करने के बाद अगर वो वैसा ही दिखाई दे जैसा ओरिजिनल पोजीशन में था, तो हम उसके लिए कहेंगे कि दिस लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री हैज रोटेशनल सिमेट्री of order 1, 2, 3, 4 according to the question. मतलब एक बार फिर समझाएं, रोटेशनल सिमेट्री क्या होता है। अगर हम किसी भी ज्योमेट्रिकल शेप को मूव करेंगे तो मूव करने के बाद अगर हमें ओरिजिनल शेप दोबारा से मिलता है तो वो हम कहेंगे उसको रोटेशनल सिमेट्री। दिस स्क्वायर हैज गॉट रोटेशनल सिमेट्री, यू कैन सी हियर, यस। थर्ड, फोर्थ, यस, दिस इज द फोर्थ लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री। मतलब हमने इसे मूव किया तो पहली बार जब मूव किया तो क्या मिला, यू कैन सी दिस इज द लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री। फर्स्ट, ये आपका फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ। सो दिस स्क्वायर हैज ऑर्डर 4 लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री। इस स्क्वायर में 4 लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री होंगी और इसका ऑर्डर भी 4 ही होगा। क्यों? क्योंकि जैसे ही हमने इसे मूव किया, एक वंस अगेन यू कैन से हियर व्यू, yes, this is the original, yes, we will get the same, again we will get same, and next one we will get same, and this is again we will get same original shape। अगर हम यहाँ से टॉप जो लिखा हुआ है इसे हटा दें तो हमको ओरिजिनल शेप 4 बार मिलेगा। 4 बार मूवमेंट करेंगे तो 4 बार मिलेगा, तो इसका ऑर्डर 4 हो जाएगा। और अगर हम इसे यहाँ टॉप ही लिखा रहने देते हैं तो ओरिजिनल शेप हमें एक राउंड के बाद ही मिलता है, तो इसमें रोटेशनल सिमेट्री है। अगर हम मूवमेंट कराने के बाद डायग्राम या फिगर या ज्योमेट्रिकल शेप हमें एग्जैक्टली सेम दिखाई दे तो हम उसे कहेंगे इट हैज ए रोटेशनल सिमेट्री। इट लुक्स एग्जैक्टली द सेम 4 टाइम्स इन फुल टर्म। एक पूरा राउंड लगाने में 4 बार हमें इसका जो शेप था वो 4 बार सेम दिखा, एग्जैक्टली ओरिजिनल दिखा, तो इसलिए हम इसकी ऑर्डर ऑफ सिमेट्री बोलेंगे 4। इट हैज गॉट रोटेशनल सिमेट्री ऑफ ऑर्डर 4। क्लियर? सो here is rotational symmetry in the alphabets. You can see here, these are the alphabet letters. Which letter have got rotational symmetry? Click to see the answer. Yes, this one you can see here, this is alphabet letter H. And how many times you will get the original shape? Yes, it is original, not original. Yes, this one is a original shape। इसी तरह का H पहले था, अभी फिर वही शेप मिला, तो यहाँ ऑर्डर 1 हो चुका। It is original, not original. Yes, again this is original। So हमने जब इसे 4 बार मूव किया तो 2 टाइम्स हमें ओरिजिनल शेप मिला, इसीलिए इसका रोटेशनल सिमेट्री ऑफ ऑर्डर 2 होगा। अगेन यू सी, दिस इज ए अल्फाबेट लेटर I। नाउ वी विल मूव इट। दिस इज ओरिजिनल, नॉट ओरिजिनल? यस, ऑफ कोर्स दिस इज द ओरिजिनल शेप। सो दिस इज द ऑर्डर 1। This is original, not original? Again you will get the exactly same structure, so you will get the rotational symmetry of order 2. Now we see next alphabet letter, it is N. Now we will move it. Yes, this is original, not original? Again we can see here, this is, yes, of course you will get the same position, that is the original. So this is the order 1. Again we will move and next we will move. So in one round we will get 2 times same structure, original shape, so therefore the rotational symmetry of order 2. It has the rotational symmetry of order 2. Now let us consider, this is a alphabet letter O. Now we will move it Yes, of course, we will get once again same position, that is the original position. So this is the order 1. Yes, of course, this is the original position. So we will get the order 2. This is also the original position. So we will get order 3. And yes, for a one round, you will get 4 times same situation. Therefore, the order of rotational symmetry of this alphabet letter O has 4. Now this is a alphabet letter S. We will move it. Not original. Yes, of course, this is original. And this is once again original. So in a one round you will get 2 times same original shape. Therefore it has rotational symmetry of order 2. Now this is alphabet letter X. So we will move it. Yes, this is the original shape. Again this is the original shape. So it has order 2. Rotational symmetry of order 2. Now this is Z. So move it. Yes, of course, this is original shape. And this is again original shape. So the rotational symmetry it has of order 2. So this is the rotational symmetry. तो दोस्तों, हमारा ये वीडियो अंत तक देखने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, हृदय से धन्यवाद।